Take two. I got interrupted in the last one, so we're going to try this again. Chapter 2.1, Linear Functions and Slope Intercept Form. Today we're going to hit the second objective, to write equations of lines. We're going to start off with slope intercept form, and you can see down this left side over here, y equals mx plus b, that's our slope intercept form, where m is slope and b is the y-intercept. As a subnote to that, we want to make sure that we understand this part down here, the 0, comma b. When the x-coordinate is 0, so the x-coordinate of any point is 0, the y-coordinate is your y-intercept. When we see 0, we can go straight to the y-coordinate and understand that that's our b. When we go up here, what is the equation of each line? We're starting off with a slope of 1/5, and we've got a y-intercept of 0 and -3. So as I do this problem, I'm going to start off just writing down my slope-intercept form. All right, I've got the framework now, so all I have to do is replace the m and replace the b. In this case, m is 1/5. As I write 1/5, I'm going to try to make sure that either the x goes in the numerator or the x goes even with the fraction bar. If I write it down even with the 5, it becomes a denominator and I've got something totally different. So we have to be very careful how we write it. The b part, I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to replace it with our -3 from the y-intercept. Now we're Algebra 2 students, so we really want to get rid of this plus a negative and write it as a single operation. So our answer to the first problem, to letter A, would be y equals 1/5 x minus 3. Going to letter B, same deal. The only difference, we have two differences, I guess. M is not a fraction. That's really no big deal. And over here, our B, which is 5, and I know that because the x is 0. Our b is 5 is a positive number, so that doesn't really affect much either. So I'm going to start with my y equals mx plus b. All right, remember that's our slope-intercept form. I'm going to take the m out, and I'm going to replace it with the 6. And then I'm going to take my b out, and I'm going to replace it with the 5 from the y-intercept. So my answer to letter B is y equals 6x plus 5.